Nevado Mateo, also referred to as Pico Mateo, rises to 16,900 feet above sea level and is a challenging glacier summit that is suitable for beginners to mountaineering. If you are new to mountaineering, you definitely want to tackle this adventure with a guide. Guides have the experience and equipment to make sure your hike is a success. I did this hike in June of 2024 with Krusty Travel, and it was everything I hoped it would be. The day began very early with a 3 a.m. pickup at my accommodation in Huaraz, Peru. After a 3-hour drive, we were on the trail before sunrise, making our way up the steep and rugged terrain. The sunrise views along the way were breathtaking, and we were blessed with excellent weather that day. The hike is only a total of 1.8 miles out and back, but there's 1,300 feet of elevation gain, and the air is much thinner at the higher altitude, so don't take this hike lightly. When we made it to the base of the glacier, our guide Angel helped us get suited with our gear, which included crampons, harness, ice axe, and ropes. Krusty Travel also provides the boots, which were fitted for me the day before. The total price for this day trip from Huaraz was 250 soles, or about $65 US, and this included the transport, guide, and gear. This did not include the entrance to the Huascaran National Park, which each individual is responsible for on their own. The entrance fee to the park is currently 30 soles for foreigners, which is about $8 US. At this point, we were all joined together on the rope and made the final push to the summit. Here, the views were indeed spectacular, and it was exciting to reach such a high altitude at 16,900 feet. This is the highest I've ever been. For me, this was a warm-up hike for the Wawash trek that I would start a couple days later. Be sure to check out that video, and thanks for watching. See you on the next one.